What's up, greens and cornbread family? We are back with another video. Today I am going to be giving my husband a new fresh haircut. You see right here, his hair has grown all the way back. So let's go ahead and get into the video. But before we get into the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified once we post another video. All right, let's go. Look at all this hair on my man. He looked like a caveman or something. I gotta get my baby right. So right here, you see me just getting off what I can right now with these clippers. And we will be unboxing some new clippers. So make sure you keep watching until the end. So right here, y'all, I don't know what these things are called, but I got them for him because it looked like, you get a really good clean shave with it. So I'm going to be using these blue things that looks like, I don't know what it looks like, but we're going to be using this to clean it up. So let's go. So I know you guys see me using alcohol and it's like, why is she pouring it on his head? Look, he told me that this was a trick he do to get excess hair off, and it really does work. I'm telling you, you guys really need to try it. Alrighty, so we about to go in with this shaving foam. I've really had fun with this, y'all. I don't know why, but the shaving foam and rubbing it in is just so satisfying to me. I mean, don't you think so? Y'all, oh, my husband just got so mad at me because I made a mistake and rubbed the blade, and y'all, he be tripping when I be about to hurt myself. Just look at him, just go crazy. Oh my God. But yeah, we about to get this shaving foam off his head and shave the rest of the little hair that he got up there and finish cleaning it up. Okay, y'all see how clean I got that head. Look at that. Like, that's all me right there. I did it. Okay, y'all see this pimple right here? Okay, gots to get it. I am like a pimple lover, and anytime I see a pimple on anybody, well, not really anybody, but people that's close to me, I'm gonna get it. I gots to get it. Gotta get it. Gotta have it. I told y'all it's gonna be some new clippers. So this is the T outliner by Andis. He chose to pick these. They are some really good clippers. Just wait till I go ahead and line him up in a minute. He finna be crisp. Do you hear me? Crisp. all he do is play, y'all. Look at him. Just, oh my God, I can't. But y'all see that line coming in good while he's sitting over there trying to look confused. He gonna be feeling himself in a minute. Here I am lining up the neck area, and it's starting to look really good. Look at that line up on his beard, y'all. Like, I killed it. Ooh, we got that nigga fresh. Oh my God. I'm trying to tell y'all. Look at him. Look at him. Just the most beautiful creature ever. Look at him. Alrighty, Greens and Cornbread family, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. I really appreciate all the support and love. We'll see you guys back on Sunday at 12 p.m. for the next video. Bye, Greens and Cornbread family. We out.